Hello and welcome. My name is Ms. Spencer, and today we will be going over Module 11 and what makes it so unique from the rest of the modules in the HMH curriculum. This is a guide for teachers. So in the video, we will be going over resources and models used in Module 11. Are you ready? Let's get started. Module 11 and 12 are genre studies. Module 11 focuses on nonfiction, and Module 12 focuses on fiction. For each of these module genre studies, there is a teacher guide. Let me show you how to find the teacher guide on the HMH Into Reading website. Once you log in to the HMH Into Reading curriculum dashboard, click Discover. Once you click Discover, scroll down, and under Resources, you will see a button called Teacher Resources. Once you click Teacher Resources, the page will open up. Scroll to the table of contents and go to Module 11. Once you click Module 11, the teacher guide for the genre study of Module 11 will be the first link. Click the Open button and the module should open up. Let's take a look at Module 11, the Nonfiction Genre Study module. The module lasts for 15 days, which are broken up into 3 weeks. Week 1 is about informational text, Week 2 is about narrative nonfiction, and Week 3 is about persuasive text. Each week, students choose between 2 engaging projects that guide them to write in the genre. Teachers should encourage students to participate in these projects in order to get them to transfer all their reading knowledge. The curriculum suggests teachers pace out the project to do 1 step a day, so that way by day 5 students can present. However, teachers should feel free to modify the timeline in order to fit the needs of their classroom community. The module also includes genre anchor charts that help students focus on the genre's key characteristics. Here are some examples. As always, the module kicks off with a KWL chart to encourage students to reflect on their prior learning, and it includes a family letter to highlight the key ideas in Module 11. The module also includes small group materials such as guided reading group texts and charts to reinforce the genre topics and skills taught in the module. Independent reading materials come in the form of genre study book club packets and a reading log to help students keep track of their progress during independent reading. There are also reading graphic organizers and guided reading coaching cards to help support you in your small group instruction. As always, the complimentary writing lessons, slide decks, and digital notebook are available on TeachHub in order to support you with your teaching of writing in this module. Let's dive a little bit deeper into Week 1, Module 11. The essential question for this module is, what are the characteristics of informational text? Along with the reading workshop, each lesson dedicates time for the writing project that the students choose at the beginning of the week. Lesson 1 covers an overview of informational text. Lesson 2 is about the central idea. Lesson 3 is about the text and graphic features of information text. Lesson 4 is about text structures you may find in informational text. And Lesson 5 is a synthesis lesson that allows students to present the module project that they picked at the beginning of the week. The learning mindset for Module 11 is self-reflection. How can I make this even better? The mentor text for Week 1 is Hurricanes, the Science Behind Killer Storms. This might seem familiar because this text is used in Module 3, Natural Disasters. Let's take a closer look at Lesson 1 from Week 1, Module 11. Lesson 1 is a general overview of informational text. You will be covering goals such as recognizing and describing the characteristics of informational text, analyzing text for characteristics of informational text, determining the author's purpose, and identifying genre characteristics of informational texts. We will be looking at a teacher model of how to analyze text for characteristics of informational texts. In this model, you will be thinking out loud about how to answer these two questions. Question number 1. Why do the authors include the sidebar on page 221? And question 2. Why do the authors include the chart on page 231? What does this look like in the classroom? In the classroom, you can model this by isolating page 221 and displaying the question beside the page. I would also highlight the section that is a sidebar to let students know where the sidebar is and what we will be focusing on this page. After reading the sidebar out loud, I would then do my inner thinking. What do we learn from this sidebar? What information can we add to our understanding? Then I would display my answer. The sidebar provides detailed information about the origin and meaning of the word hurricane. I would ask students if my answer matches the sidebar on page 221 and get their responses. You could either do this with a thumbs up, thumbs down activity, or a poll in your classroom any way that you choose. I would do the same thing for the second question. Isolate page 231 and display the question. Why do the authors include the chart on page 231? After reading the chart out loud and asking myself, what information do I learn and how does it add to my understanding, I would then present my answer. It explains the differences in the levels of hurricanes. Then ask the students, does this answer match the question? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Afterwards, students are asked to go on a scavenger hunt and record all the text features they find throughout the week on this graphic organizer. Thank you. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to see more lessons in the HMH curriculum, click on the link in the description or type in this website link in order to have access to all VCS ELA videos. Have a great day.